Inspire 2's full-field scanning mode offers fast capture and is ideal for quickly generating point cloud models of general objects. This mode is supported on both PC and mobile devices. For deep black objects or highly reflective metal surfaces, apply scanning spray to the model beforehand for better results. After setting up and connecting the scanner, open the software and click New Project on the home screen. Since the object used in this tutorial has complex geometric features, feature scanning is selected. In Scan Settings, select Full Field as the scanning mode, then choose Feature as the tracking mode. Since the model here is matte white, selecting General as the object type is OK. Then you can adjust the depth camera exposure automatically or manually to ensure the object surface in the depth camera preview does not show excessive red or blue areas. Note that Inspire 2 supports color scanning in full field mode. You can enable it if needed. Toggle the base removal function to help automatically eliminate extraneous planar data capture during the scan. After adjusting the scan settings and exposure parameters, use the distance indicator bar on the right to adjust the scanner's angle and position, keeping it within the excellent or good range as much as possible. Click Start to begin the scan. During the scan, keep the scanner aimed at the object and move it steadily and slowly. You can pause at any time to check the model. If any areas are missing, click the Start button again to continue scanning. At this point, we have captured roughly 80% of the castle, but the base and top still have some missing areas. To capture the rest of the object, you can either lay it down on its side and continue scanning or use model merging. In this tutorial, we'll choose the latter. When you've finished capturing this part of your object, click Complete, then place your object on its side and use the same settings from the first scan to perform another scan, focusing on the areas that were previously missing. After the scan is complete, first perform point cloud fusion on the two models sequentially and remove any unnecessary data. Then click the Merge button, select Feature Alignment, and click Generate Model. Finally, return to the post-processing interface to finish tasks like meshing to create a complete model ready for export. The parallel line scanning mode must be used with marker tracking. This mode is great for scanning detailed surfaces. Also, shiny or black surfaces can be scanned without the need for scanning spray. Before scanning, you need to create a marker-rich environment around or on the object to serve as a tracking reference. Markers can be randomly attached to the object surface, or marker blocks can be placed around it as shown. Ensure that at least 5 markers are visible in each frame during the scan. Don't use soft mats or cloths with markers, as they may affect model accuracy. Since this model has a matte metal surface, it can be scanned directly without first applying scanning spraying in parallel lines mode. For details on using scanning spray for special surfaces, refer to the table. After successfully connecting the scanner, click New Project on the home page, then select Marker Scan in the upper left corner. Next, set the scanning settings to Parallel Lines Mode and Marker Tracking. Since our object has a metal surface, we'll switch the object type to Metallic Shiny Object. Then adjust the target point distance. 4 medium-sized objects with some details. The point distance can be set to around 0.4 millimeters. You can manually adjust the depth camera exposure and laser brightness to ensure that the laser lines are clearly visible in the depth camera preview window. Adjust the distance between the scanner and the object until the distance indicator bar is between excellent and good. Click the Start button to begin scanning. Hold the scanner steady and aim at the object, moving slowly at a constant speed. During laser line scanning, the model's color will gradually change. Blue-green indicates higher quality. We recommend scanning your object from all angles until the model is completely blue-green before finishing the scan. Obviously, some parts of the model will be missing. To complete the model, use the same merging method as before. Rotate the model to expose the missing parts, then perform another scan. Once the scan is finished, perform point cloud fusion on the models one by one and remove any unwanted data. Then click the Merge button, select Feature Alignment, and click Generate Model. Finally, return to the post-processing interface to finish tasks like meshing to create a complete model ready for export.